There are two different types of links you can insert into presentations: web links and slide links. We will explain each type of link in this lesson and how to insert them. You can choose to make text or an object a link by selecting it and then inserting a link. In this example, we will create a new text link. First, we add text to the slide and then we select it. Next, click on the Insert menu. Now, click on Link. You can insert a web link by simply typing in the link or searching for it and selecting it. You also have the option of linking to specific slides in the presentation by selecting this option. In this example, we will insert a web address link by simply typing the address in here. The final step is to click on Apply. As you can see, your text link has been inserted and is highlighted. You can modify or remove the link by clicking on the linked object. If you remove the link, the object will still remain in your presentation.